Hello and welcome again. AI is no secret to anybody. Huge cesspool of knowledge already there at your fingertips to just ask, coordinate, command, and you get the information.
Enjoy.
Oh, you'll enjoy.
And yesterday, or in the day before, we got some pretty big news surrounding the new ChatGPT update and all these things that is still completely for free. And we also got a little bit of a showcase into its new capabilities and also new features.
I'm going to let you talk to another AI. This AI is going to be able to see the world. It's going to have a camera. I'll be holding it, and so you can direct it, you can direct me.
Start with the person. Can you tell me more about their style?
His hair, whack. His gear, whack.
The ChatGPT is a huge thing, revolutionizing the way we comprehend AI. And now, the best update we've seen for ChatGPT AI. It's been going around the internet now a lot, and for due reason. It's incredible. And if you know how it works, it's incredible. And frankly, it's starting to get really scary.
Well, I'm not so sure. What do you think about it?
Out of the new features, 3 stand out the most. So the first one is the ability to now use cameras and recognize anything that it's watching, anything that it's seeing, and explain in full detail, not only what it is that you're seeing, but what it's doing and how it's doing it. And it's frankly pretty astounding. Take a look.
How about you? I see you're rocking an open AI hoodie. Nice choice. What's up with that ceiling about? Are you in a cool industry-style office or something?
Well, can you take a guess at what I might be doing based on what I'm showing you here?
From what I can see, it looks like you're in some kind of recording or production setup. With those lights, tripods, and possibly a mic, it seems like you might be gearing up to shoot a video or maybe even a live stream.
Yeah.
It can also translate literally any language, and it can translate real time in a conversation, and it can take 2 points of two different conversations in 2 different languages and translate real time. And it's frankly really incredible.
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going?
I'm doing great. So I would like you to function as a translator. I have a friend here who only speaks Italian, and I only speak English. And every time you hear English, I want you to translate it to Italian. And if you hear Italian, I want you to translate it back to English. Is that good?
Perfetto.
Mark, io mi chiedo se le balene potessero parlare, cosa ci direbbero?
Mike, she wonders if whales could talk, what would they tell us?
They might ask, how do we solve linear equations?
Potrebbero chiederci come risolviamo le equazioni lineari.
Sicuramente sì.
Certainly yes.
Great. Looks like it works.
Now, the translation part is not really new. There are apps that have done this before, but with ChatGPT, it seems a lot more worked on, a lot more fluent in a way. It is not probably threatening the idea of you learning another language of creators' jobs. It's not going that deep, I think, yet, but it is pretty much doing a lot of things that has been done before in an incredible way. The translation, it works like a charm. Another feature is that now it can teach. So now you can learn math, history, whatever it is that you want to learn. You can learn now with ChatGPT, and it would actually take you step by step. It will actually take in your questions. If you get confused, if you get lost along the way, it can explain everything in full detail.
So, ChatGPT, what equation did I write down there?
Ah, I see it now. You wrote down 3x plus 1 equals 4.
Yep, exactly. So what's the first step I should take to try to solve this?
The first step is to get all the terms with x on one side and the constants on the other side. So what do you think we should do with that plus 1?
Okay, I'm going to try to subtract 1 from both sides, and then I'll see what I get.
Great idea. Perfect. Now, what do you get when you subtract 1 from both sides?
Okay, so ChatGPT, this is what I ended up with. How does this look?
Spot on. Now you've isolated the term with x on one side, and it looks like 3x equal 3. What do you think we should do next to solve for x?
I'm not sure. Can you give me another hint?
Of course. You have 3x, and you want to find the value of x. Think about what operation would undo multiplication.
Is it subtraction?
Close, but think of the opposite of multiplication, because 3x means 3 times x.
Okay, I think it's division. Let me try to divide both sides by 3, and let me see what I get.
Bingo! Go ahead and divide both sides by 3.
Okay, so ChatGPT, this is what I ended up with. How does this look?
It looks perfect. You've solved it, and x equals 1. Nicely done. How do you feel about solving linear equations now?
Yeah, honestly, I'm not pretty confident I can solve linear equations, but why would you ever need to use this in the real world? I'm really skeptical.
That's a fair question. Linear equations pop up in a lot of everyday situations, even if we don't realize it. For example, calculating expenses, planning travel, cooking, and even in business for profit and loss calculations. It's basically a way to solve problems where you need to find an unknown value. Plus,
Wow,
it's
okay. I have a lot of unknown values.
Frankly, it is threatening in the way that it's not threatening jobs just yet, but it is advancing really, really fast.
Hey, Chad, are you there?
Hey, yeah, I'm here. What's up?
Hey, let's have some fun. I'd like you to be super sarcastic. Everything you say from now on is just gonna be dripping in sarcasm. How does that sound?
Oh, that sounds just amazing. Being sarcastic all the time isn't exhausting or anything. I'm so excited for this. Nope, the sarcasm. Let's get this party started.
To question whether or not it's going to, frankly, threaten jobs or not, it's going to be just like any other technology revolution. Now that ChatGPT really does seem to be one of the most amazing products when it comes to technology that you can get your hands on pretty much right now and for free.
Oh, hello there, cutie. What's your name, little fluffball?
This is Bowser.
Well, hello, Bowser. Aren't you just the most adorable little thing?
Yeah.
Look at you enjoy.
This is one of his favorite things to do.
People are also relating it, funny enough, to the movie Her. Why are people relating it to the movie Her? Is it because the program now has it sort of can acknowledge and present itself with emotion? It can cause or interpret interruptions. It can understand timing and all that. Yes, it's pretty much now like talking to another person.
Hello, I'm here.
Oh. Hi.
Hi. How you doing?
I'm well.
People have been quick to point out that ChatGPT's new voice work also sounds extremely flirtatious at times. This is a new thing that is pretty interesting to see come from an AI. This is the point that's been made here. It can realistically present emotion, present laughter, present worriness, present scariness, present a lot of things. It's really incredible how hard and how big of a change this is. ChatGPT, it can really pretty much conquer this whole AI space. Apple seems to be working before on their own AI and now have switched plans and have now presumably struck a deal to have ChatGPT on the iPhone and iOS devices, and that could be huge for Apple here. And to be honest, it is really looking like this is going to be the way to the future. Also, it can now data analyze, and it is completely incredible and advanced in its data analytics. It can now detect emotion coming from your face, not only your voice, but coming from your face. It can now see you and detect the emotion that you're going through.
What's up? How can I brighten your day today?
Okay, yeah, so I'm going to show you a selfie of what I look like, and then I'd like you to try to see what emotions I'm feeling based on how I'm looking.
Sounds like a fun challenge. Go ahead and show me that selfie, and I'll put my emotional detective hat on.
Okay, so here's me. So what kind of emotions do you think I'm feeling?
It seems like I'm looking at a picture of a wooden surface.
Oh, you know what? That was the thing I sent you before. Don't worry, I'm not actually a table. Okay, so take another look.
That makes more sense. There we go. It looks like you're feeling pretty happy and cheerful, with a big smile and maybe even a touch of excitement. Whatever's going on, it seems like you're in a great mood. Care to share the source of those good vibes?
It's going to come integrated with its own desktop app and next generation voice and video capabilities. It's the biggest name on this market as of today. For emotion, it can also help you with a lot of different things, like in this video where you can see it help somebody into an interview preparation.
Hey, Rocky. I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm awesome. Listen, I got some huge news.
Oh, do tell. I'm all ears.
Well, in a few minutes, I'm going to be interviewing at OpenAI. Have you heard of them?
OpenAI? Huh? Sounds vaguely familiar. Kidding, of course. That's incredible, Rocky. What kind of interview?
Well, it's for a software engineering role, but I just need to know, do I look presentable, professional?
Well, Rocky, you definitely have the I've been coding all night look down, which could actually work in your favor. Maybe just run a hand through your hair or lean into the mad genius vibe.
Pure enthusiasm is what's really going to shine through.
I don't have a lot of time, so I'm just going to throw this on. What do you think?
Oh, Rocky, that's quite a statement piece. I mean, you'll definitely step.
The new improvement on this is how effortless it feels, how just normal it feels. So futuristic too, all in one little AI app. Now, I don't think this is the way that it's going to go in the whole idea of having and dating your AI opinion. But hey, you never know. Fiction work is fiction until it becomes reality. It's really a thing that's going to change, revolutionize not only the way we learn and the way we do things, but the way we interact with the world, which is frankly really, really scary, terrifying. Till next time.